Hey guys, it's Najam. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be checking out this USB Type-C hub. Now, I've been looking for a USB Type-C hub to expand my connectivity on my mini PC, and I came across this on AliExpress on a deal, and so I picked it up. Now, what I'm mainly interested in is whether it works, because I've heard a lot of people report that it doesn't work. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. It has a Type-C and it has a USB 3 connection. It's built out of metal and it feels very solid, very nice, and it's got 3 USB ports, micro SD card slot and an SD card slot. It's got audio interface. Now this apparently is only audio out, so you can't plug microphones in, and it has a Type-C connection, and it also has another USB connection on the side. Now I'll be interested in seeing if you can plug this in and charge your laptop while you're using a Type-C port, so that'll be very interesting. Now I have gone ahead and plugged it into my USB 4 port on my PC, and it's got the LED on. I'm going to plug some stuff in to see if it works. Let's go ahead and try the audio cable. So I went and plugged this headphone into it, and it's come up as an audio output, and you can see it's only output. Now let's go ahead and have a listen to this. Okay, it does work. You can't hear audio through it, but it sounds really bad. I think there's some sort of dithering going on or something like that, and it's got some weird wah-wah effect going on. There's weird sounds coming out of this. Now I'm going to go ahead and test out the USB ports on this using this expendable SD card over here. Okay, dokie is plugged in and it's come up, and as you can see, I am able to access it in the file manager, so that's working. Now I'm just going to go ahead and test out the other ones. Okay, the other USB port is working, and also the third one, that's working as well. And there's one on the other side, which is on the long side, on the long end. I'm going to test that one, and that's working as well. Now I'm going to actually test out the SD card adapter. Now apparently this one is not working, so let's go ahead and try that. Oh, it's come up. MXD USB storage device. So that seems to be working. That's very interesting. And it's popped up again, and I'm able to browse through the files. So that seems to be working. I'll go ahead and eject it. Fail to eject. It gives me this error over here, fail to eject. Okay, so I don't know if it's gonna mess up the SD card or something, but if you can copy files across it, then that's fine. Now let's go ahead and plug this back into the USB adapter thing, and plug this back into the USB hub. And we've got this, and let's go ahead and eject that, and that seems to be working. Ejected, can be removed. Okay, so it seems to be working for me, but I don't know if it's gonna corrupt SD card. Let's go ahead and try out the micro SD card slot. So I've got this 1 GB micro SD card. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Gold card, yep. It's got my files on it, and that seems to be working. Let's go ahead and eject it, and failed to eject. Close. Okay, dokie. Unable to eject. Data needs to be returned to the card. Please do not remove it. Okay. Okay, dokie. Now it's time to test out the USB Type-C input on the USB hub, and I'm going to plug this Type-C SSD into it. Ta-da! And it's popped up, and I can browse through the files, let's go ahead and send this screen SSD. Let's go ahead and unplug this, and it can be removed. So that seems to be working. So okay, I forgot to test out one thing, which is USB Type-C charging. So if I plug this into my laptop, will it be able to charge via USB? So I have a laptop here which has a USB Type-C port, and this allows you to charge it via the Type-C. And I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. I don't think this is going to work, but let's go ahead and see what happens. It might fry something. So let's go ahead and plug in the Type-C port into a Type-C port charging port. Okay, that doesn't seem to be working, but there are 5 volts going to it. I think you might be able to use this as a power source for hard drives and stuff, but apart from that, it doesn't charge the laptop. So if you guys have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.